Hello everybody, it is Marissa and welcome back to the kitchen. We're going to do another Savory Sunday. So today what we're actually going to do is we are going to be doing Tater Tot Sloppy Joe Casserole. Okay, this is a super easy, really good weeknight meal. And basically you just make your meat like you're doing Sloppy Joes, and then instead of putting it on the buns then, you put it into a casserole dish, you put tater tots on top, cook the tater tots, and then put cheese on top of it. So what I'm going to be using is ground turkey, again because I have switched over to ground turkey. You need tomato paste, and I actually only needed a 6-ounce can, but I accidentally got the 12-ounce when I ordered my groceries. You'll need some Sloppy Joe mix, so whatever kind that you like to use, and you'll need some tater tots. So super easy to do. I'm gonna brown my meat. I'm gonna season it up a little bit of onion, stuff like that in it, and I'm actually gonna turn the camera off while I do that, and then I will do this in clips instead of leaving it on today because I'm running out of memory. So I'm gonna brown it in this skillet, and I will be back with you in just a moment. All right guys, so by the power of editing, our meat is browned. So I'm going to scoop it out into my pie pan. And I have Dragon Actually going in the background by G.A. Aiken, which I don't know if I'm supposed to do or not. Hopefully I won't get a copyright strike. So we're going to open our can of tomato paste, and because I did get the big can, I'm only going to add half of this in here. Give me a second.
He had no doubt this little revelation would change everything. That dragon craves power more than anything. He reminded Bersalak, and all he's ever wanted was the king's throne. And much power in your blood, Mormon added. If he takes it.
So, and then we're going to add about a cup of water.
Because no dragon will be safe. Fargus watched Bersalak struggle with all this. The old dragon hated being wrong, especially when his own children pointed it out to him.
And I did notice at the back of my sauce packet of my Sloppy Joe mix said that you could use tomato sauce instead, and you just don't add the water.
And you two make sure the girl wins. I don't care what you have to do. If she lets us near her, father, Morgan gravely chastised, her last memory is of you trying to kill her and telling her about Fargus before he could. Brig finally landed behind his father. He tossed a silver pane. She still saved Wayne, though. I saw her. She's a brave girl.
Okay.
For a human. I know that. Fargus snapped. He looked at his father. I'm just not sure how I'm going to fix this. Well, you better find a way, boy. Use whatever charm.
Then we're going to add our Sloppy Joe mix.
Morphet slid between Fargus and her father before he could kill the old bastard. Fargus, just let me kill him. I'm begging you. Father, go. The dragon didn't waste time. He took to the skies. Brieg nodded at his siblings once and followed. Really, Fargus, you need to stop asking me to let you kill our family. Fargus shook his head. They just keep irritating me. Morphet gave a smile he knew.
Okay. So once you get that just mixed in pretty well.
Families do irritate. She stepped back. I need to do something.
We are going to look at the directions on the back of the bag. You're going to preheat your oven according to your directions on your tater tots. And this just goes into the oven. And I did not cook the meat all the way. It's still a little bit pink inside. I don't get real exact about this. You guys can do cool designs or whatever you want to do, but I just kind of dump some on top. Not trying to impress myself. And as you can see, this will be lunch and dinner for me. Dinner tonight and lunch tomorrow. So just cover the top. Oop. Run away, tater tot. Cover the top, and then, like I said, bake this according to the tater tot directions. And then when you only have about 3 minutes left, put the cheese on top and melt it. And you will have that done. And I will come back so you can see the final product.